Hey guys, welcome back. I just released a brand new 2024 Mochi Digital Planner, and this video is a quick GoodNotes installation and integration guide. So let's get right into it. When you first purchase the planner, you will receive a download index as the only file. This index helps guide you through downloading the specific planner configuration that you want, along with other planner covers and stickers that are included in the purchase. Tap on download and it will automatically be saved to your files application. Tap on this download arrow and tap on the magnifying glass to quickly locate the file. Please open this download index in GoodNotes for the best experience. Just select it and share it to GoodNotes to import the document. This download index is basically a step-by-step guide that asks you which configuration you would like for your planner, so you just need to tap on the buttons and follow the prompts. Let's get started. You'll first be prompted to choose between a Monday start or a Sunday start planner. I like to use Monday starts myself, so I'm going to tap on the Monday start button. You will then be led to the next step, which is to choose whether you want integration in your planner or not. The integration option means that your planner is integrated with Apple Calendar, Reminders, and Google Calendar, so you can quickly add events to those applications from your planner. I want my planner to have integration, so I'm going to select that option. You will then be led to this page where you can finally select your tab colors from a selection of pastels and neutrals. I'm going to select the Blossom color since pink is my favorite color, and it will prompt me to open this link, which I'm going to do. Now, if you get this error page, just tap refresh and it will load properly. Once it's loaded, tap on the share button up top and select GoodNotes and import it as a new document. Once you've imported it, then you can rename your planner however you like. Go back to your download index and tap on the button to move on to the next step. This page goes through the importing steps, which is what we just did, so let's move on. At the bottom, it will ask you which planner configuration you downloaded. I downloaded mine with integration, so I'm going to press that button. To install the integration, it's 2 quick steps. Make sure that you have Apple Shortcuts, Calendar, Reminders, and Google Calendar installed beforehand. The first step is to go to your shortcut settings and turn on private sharing. You can turn this off after installing the integration. Once that's done, go back to the index and tap on the shortcut to download it. Open the link and it will automatically launch Apple Shortcuts. Tap on Setup Shortcut, select GoodNotes as the application, and add the shortcut. Your integration is now ready to use. Please do not modify the shortcut in any way, otherwise this will cause the integration to stop functioning. We're just going to skip the next page since it is a guide to what I just did, and now I'm going to show you a demonstration on how integration works in the planner. Now, I get this question a lot. In order to use hyperlinks in your planner, you have to turn the writing function off. To use the integration, you can find this Add To button on all monthly, weekly, and daily planning pages. Once you tap on it, it will prompt you to run this shortcut. And this menu will pop up and you can choose what you'd like to do. I'm going to demonstrate the Apple Calendar option with a hair appointment. It will ask you to fill out the title of the event and the start and end time, and then the event will show up in your device's Apple Calendar. Now that the planner is installed, you can replace the planner covers if you wish so that you can mix and match it up. Tap on the download button and save it to your files. You can locate the downloaded file once again with the magnifying glass, and then tap on the zip file to extract it. Once you've extracted it, go back into GoodNotes and have your planner open. Then you can go back to the files and select the planner cover that you like. Select the cover and share it to GoodNotes and import it to the same document. Then you can tap on the thumbnails icon and delete the previous cover. Make sure you do the same thing for the back cover. The last step is to install cute stickers. I've provided both GoodNotes Elements files and transparent PNGs. I'll be showing you how to import the GoodNotes Elements files. Tap on the download button and then locate the file to extract it. You will see the following .collection files in the folder. Go into GoodNotes and navigate to the Elements tab as shown and find the Add button in the pop-up. Then select Import From and import the collection files. After it's imported, tap on Create and you're done. So that's it for my quick guide. I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much and have a Happy New Year.